Dreaming of becoming doctors, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Hadirin kejengkeran berkinoi lam ke Sorkar Assam, hak kejeng lam u Atul Bora u Menteri Ketenat Border Protection and Development, hak arpo artorek noilar arja arpundio halor kijingmi kijingjia huri hurah nong bak Shillong, ubak senyau bahalang dhar u sembut Menteri rang bak kejela ula pentem bagi ar Sorkar kila rai bantau dek Joint Committee on Tourist Transport. Kini ke Joint Committee ke kentup yaki Board Penyiat Transport hak kerdan Commissioner Bat Secretary na Boro Artli ki jela ringkat bat ki nomi khmat jong ki Tourist Vehicle Association ban Pynbeit bat pensok ya ke jing yat jong ki kali tourist bat ban yo mentoy lang hak kam jongok kai. Ulaong baki Artli ki Sorkar kin shim ya boro ki sen jam ki badon kam ban penti kena ya ke jinglet jingwan ka pasingan jong ki kali ki balet na ki benta sathia jong ka Assam sakiwei pat ki benta jong ka Assam kentup ya ke jing yat lenti na Barak Valley lingba ka Meghalaya. Ulaong baka Sorkar Meghalaya kala penti kena bakan shim ya ke jingkit klip ban penti kena ya ke jing sngan baka jing ara jong baro kinawan kai bat ki kali ki bon Assam bat na ki wei pat ki benta jong kari nadu kapor baki don ha Meghalaya hadu kalet kawan jong ki hapot jella.
A joint committee comprising the Commission on Secretary Level Transport Authorities of both the states, along with the representative of the Tourist Vehicle Associations, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya state. Safe transit through both states. The government of Assam and Meghalaya will take all necessary measures to ensure safe and secure transit arrangement for vehicles traveling from the southern part of Assam to other part of Assam, including movement from the Barak Valley through Meghalaya, and similarly necessary arrangement will be made for people traveling from Meghalaya to other part of Meghalaya through Assam. Responsibility for safety and security of tourists and vehicles. The government of Meghalaya reiterated that the state government shall take responsibility for the safety and security of all tourists and vehicles traveling from Assam and other part of the country into Meghalaya during their stay and movement within the state of Meghalaya.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.